What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time, and I'm back with another video. Today I have a glass screen protector for you. This is from OTAO, and this is their X Lambo Anti-Crack Series 9H hardness glass screen protector. Big shout out to them for sending this out, and this is a great option for a case-friendly screen protector for your phone. It's glass. It does have adhesive only on the edges, but from the one I used on my S8, it actually worked great, and I was super surprised. You can check out that video on my channel, and I was, beyond surprised because there's only really one company that had made a glass screen protector that worked. This one worked, and it worked well with almost every case that I used it with. The only case it didn't work was my OtterBox Defender, and then I ended up pulling it off because of it. But this is their branding, their box right here that it comes with. We'll crack this baby open, cut it open, get it all set up, and I'll show you the installation on this. Like I said, everybody sees that it has adhesive only on the edges and they get afraid. I'm telling you, this has worked for me. If you have a different feeling about it, let me know down in the description, in the comments. I like it, works great for me. So here's your screen protector accessories in a little bag. This also comes with an installation tray. That's what makes it key for me. It makes it so easy to put together and get it installed. So this is your tape right here to pull it off. Some dust. This is your screen protector LCD cleaning cloth. It's a wet one. Here's a microfiber cloth. And these are great just to keep around, just to clean your phone, because your phone is going to get dirty. This glass on glass design. This is your screen protector. Pull this out. There we go. So you get the black around the edges, so it's going to match all the bezels that you have perfectly. Here you go. Thank you for your order. In order to make a good purchase experience, if the screen protector cracks or does not work for any reason, please contact us right here. OTAO store at outlook.com with your order ID and pictures. We'll reship you a new one. Wish you and your family a happy and wonderful life. Best regards, OTAO. I've never had an issue reaching them, so this is the email address right there. Freeze that and look at it, because if you have an issue, reach out to them on that right there, and they should get back to you right away. This is installation instructions. Shows you how to use the wet cleaning path, then use the dust sticker, use the installation tray, line it up, drop it down, and wipe it down. You have a screen protector installed in no time. Here's your installation tray, which goes around the phone like so, and that's it. Makes it real simple. Doing this on camera is the hardest part, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna work through it and get it done. So flip the box around. I'm actually gonna put it on the box. Makes it a little easier for me. So this says clearly labeled up. I'm gonna turn it sideways. Makes it a little easier to show. Get your wet wipe. Pull it out. There you go, nice and wet, not too wet, just enough moisture. Wipe down your whole screen, get rid of all that grease and fingerprints, dead skin cells, whatever's on there. Get rid of it. Get rid of the dust. Take this, wipe it down. If you have your own microfiber, a plusher one you want to use, go ahead and use that. I use my own all the time, but this one is going to work for now. Get that cleaned off, and now you have this. This is like a cellophane. I actually like how they do this. It's not just the typical dust absorption, stickers that they have. This is actually really, really cool. It's like a cellophane, but it's sticky. It's great for static, and it picks up everything. This is perfect. So that's installed like so. Get this, you peel it down from the top. See the little pull tab right there? Pull that down. And you bring this in to the top, line it up, bring it down, and drop it on. Push it down. And you can pull this out. Hit it with the microfiber cloth. Make sure all the glue is stuck down on all the edges. And there you go. Now you have a screen protector with no issues. Slap this baby on. There you go. Let's check some responsiveness. Home button's great. Let's go up to the top. No problem. Perfect. This has a cutout along the edge, the top, so all your sensors are exposed. They're not under aftermarket glass. So your front camera is not going to be under somebody else's glass. It's going to be under the factory glass the way it was meant to be. Down the bottom. This is a case-friendly version, so it doesn't go all the way to the edge, so you can put cases on with it, but it lines up perfect. The installation tray puts it on perfectly. I really enjoy it. Like I said, you have no issues. There's no creaking. There's no, anything else that you've seen with these other screen protectors, you're not going to get with this one. I enjoy it. It's only, I think, 12 bucks. Let's get to the Amazon link. There it is, $12.99 plus free shipping. They have, 11 reviews, and they got almost 4 stars. So to me, that's pretty good. I'm sure a lot of them are installation problems. Some people might not like it. Some people might pop it off with a case of theirs and not enjoy that and then leave a bad review. Whatever the situation may be, everybody's gonna have a different experience. My experience is great. We'll do some more. Check our edge panels, no problem there. Open some apps, no problem there. YouTube Studio, no problem. Swipe down from the top again, because that's where a lot of the issues are, the top and the bottom. No problems. Works like a dream. The quality is really, really nice. Screen still looks as bright, still get the viewing angles, no problem there. And it works great. And this is gonna work with a lot of cases. I have this work with my Rinky cases on my S8. I've used it for my Unicorn Defender Pro after I took out the plastic screen protector that came with. So it works with a slew of cases from slim design to rugged, and it works great. I had no issue. Like I said, the out-of-box Defender it did not work with, and that's where this screen protector came to an end on my S8. And right now I'm running my S8 naked, which is very, very scary because these glass and glass phones, you just don't want to do that. The screen scratches super easily. You want to put some protection. For 12 bucks, you can't go wrong. Stay tuned, guys, because I have some more glass screen protector reviews, case reviews, tips and tricks, and my full review coming up on the S9. It's a great phone. You want to put some great glass on it. This is it. For a cheap price of 12 bucks, you can't go wrong. Yes, it is only adhesive on the sides, but somehow, some way, they've figured it out, and it works great for me. I've had no issues. Like I said, if you've had an issue, let me know down in the comments, and maybe we can figure out some kind of, happy medium. I can reach out to the company and see if they can give me an answer on why you're having those issues. But for me, it works great. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I will catch you later. Links down below. Peace.